Engine misfire? The hidden Volkswagen fuel system problem. This Volkswagen engine misfire was caused by a hidden fuel system failure. Mechanics discovered clogged fuel injectors affecting the Volkswagen's engine performance. Rough idling and power loss revealed serious fuel delivery problems inside the VW. A weak fuel pump secretly triggered repeated engine misfires in this Volkswagen. Dirty fuel lines caused uneven combustion and poor acceleration in the VW engine. Volkswagen warning lights appeared after fuel pressure dropped unexpectedly. Hidden fuel contamination nearly caused major engine damage in this Volkswagen. Misfiring cylinders exposed deeper fuel system issues no one expected to find. This Volkswagen struggled to start because of severe fuel flow restrictions. Ignoring early fuel system symptoms turned this Volkswagen into a costly repair case.